Did you know? Sneezing with your eyes open is almost impossible, but why? Here's the scoop. Sneezing isn't just a cute achoo. It's a powerful reflex involving multiple muscles, and one of those reflexes is to close your eyes. Scientists think this is a protective mechanism. When you sneeze, particles fly out at high speeds, with some people saying it can reach up to 100 miles per hour. Closing your eyes helps keep them safe from any debris. Think of it as nature's safety goggles. And if you do sneeze with your eyes open, well, that's rare, but it's possible. So next time you sneeze, let your body do its thing because it's just looking out for you. Fun fact delivered. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more quick facts like these.